Good morning students, how are you all? Today we will do solar cooker in detail. Now solar cooker. The solar cooker is a solar heating device which is used to cook food with the help of solar energy. Clear? Now we are doing box type solar cooker in detail. Clear? Earlier video also we have talked about this box type solar cooker. In this, what was used in this, plain mirror was used as a reflector. One was spherical type and one was box type. In box type there was plain mirror used as a reflector, and in spherical type there was a concave mirror which was used as a reflector. Now we are doing box type solar cooker. It looks like a box. Clear? So in this box type there are some cooking pots. We are having the cooking pot which is painted black. Clear? This box, inside the box also we have to paint black, because black color is good absorber of heat. Here plain mirror is used as a reflector. As the solar energy comes reflect on this surface, it will when it comes on the surface, it will reflect the solar energy to the cooking pots. Clear? Here is a glass piece above this. This glass piece helps to trap the solar energy inside the box. क्लियर? ये जो ग्लास पीस है वो क्या करेगा, जो भी सोलर एनर्जी रिफ्लेक्ट होके आएगी इस प्लेन मिरर से, तो ये उसको क्या कर लेगा, अंदर इनसाइड ट्रैप कर लेगा, विच विल क्रिएट अ ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. क्लियर? दैट इज, इट विल नॉट अलो, दिस ग्लास पीस विल नॉट अलो टू escape the solar energy outside the solar cooker. Clear? Now with the help of that solar energy, these food get cooked up. Clear? Now first of all we'll talk about its principle. The black color absorbs more heat as compared to white. Clear? It is based on the principle that we paint inside, that the paint is used, black paint is used inside the solar cooker, because black color is good absorber of heat as compared to white. Absorber of heat done. The inner wall of solar cooker is painted black just as to absorb maximum heat. Clear? Now what is the function of glass piece? I have told you, to trap the solar energy and does not allow it to escape. ट्रैप कर लेता है ये सोलर एनर्जी को, सोलर एनर्जी को एस्केप नहीं होने देता. ये क्या फंक्शन है, किसका फंक्शन है, ये ग्लास का फंक्शन है. दैट इज, इट क्रिएट्स अ ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट. Clear? So this was the solar cooker, which was box type solar cooker. Doing advantages and disadvantages of solar cooker. First we will do advantages. Solar cooker causes no pollution, that is, it is eco-friendly. Clear? The cost of cooking is quite small. In this, the cost of cooking is small. In it, nutritional value of food remains high. सोलर कुकर के अंदर फूड की न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू रिमेन्स एज इट इज. क्लियर? नाउ इन दिस, एज देयर वाज कुकिंग पोट्स, इन दैट देयर वर 4 कुकिंग पोट्स. सेम एज इन दिस सोलर कुकर वी कैन कुक 2 to 3 dishes at the same time. Clear? It saves fuel, as in this no fuel is required, so it saves fuel. Now what are disadvantages? It can't be used at night, because in this we need solar energy and at night we can't use it, and also we can't use it at the cloudy days. Clear? At cloudy days also we can't use it, is a major disadvantage. It will take the more time to cook food. As it takes more time to cook food, so this is also disadvantage. And it cannot be used for frying and baking. We have done this earlier. In spherical type we can use that spherical type solar cooker for baking and frying purposes, but in this box type solar cooker the temperature is near about 100 to 130 degrees Celsius. So this temperature is quite small, so low, that is it is not used for frying and baking purposes. So these were advantages and disadvantages of solar cooker. Now we'll do solar. Our next topic is solar cell. Now solar cell, it is also a solar heating device. Clear? Now this will convert light energy to electrical energy. Clear? So solar cell, it is also called solar photovoltaic cell, that is a PV cell. Clear? Solar cell is also called solar photovoltaic cell, that is PV cell. It converts light energy to electrical energy. Clear? Now what material it is made up of? Earlier it was made up of selenium element, which gives the efficiency of only 0.7%. Clear? That is, it convert light energy to electrical energy. That is, it gives us efficiency of only 0.7%. But now these solar cells are made up of the elements like semiconductor materials like silicon, gallium, germanium. Okay, and now their efficiency is increased up to 13%. Clear? So now the elements which are used to make solar cells are silicon, gallium, germanium, which gives us efficiency of near about 13%. Clear? Now how this solar cell works? Clear? Now when the light falls on the semiconductor junction, जैसे इसके ऊपर एक सेमीकंडक्टर जंक्शन है, जैसे उसके ऊपर लाइट फॉल होगा तो जो लाइट के जो फोटॉन्स हैं तो वो क्या करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को मूव ऑन करवाएंगे. क्लियर? और जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन मूव करेंगे देयर विल बी अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्रिएटेड इन बिटवीन द two regions of semiconductor, and as the potential difference is created, that will convert light energy to electrical energy. Clear? This is a device which will convert light energy to electrical energy. Now what is solar panel? Solar panel क्या होता है? As the single solar cell gives us very little amount of electric energy, so there is a combination of solar cells. Clear? When the large number of solar cells are combined in a definite pattern, then this is termed as solar panel. This solar panel is also used for domestic lighting also and for high scale purposes. Clear? Now we'll do some advantages and disadvantages of solar cells. What are the merits and demerits of solar cells? Firstly, merits. Merits, what are the merits? That is clean source, cheap source, noiseless source and safe energy. This solar cell is cheap, noiseless, clean source of energy. Reliable and a long life. It is a long life source. Suitable for remote and inaccessible places where fuels are costly. जहाँ पे फ्यूल स्कार्स हैं, जहाँ पे फ्यूल्स कॉस्टली हैं, उस एरियाज में इसका यूज़ हो सकता है. वेरी लो मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट. इसकी जो मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट है वो भी क्या है, लो है. सो दीज वर द मेरिट्स. एंड व्हाट आर द डीमेरिट्स ऑफ सोलर सेल? इरेगुलर सप्लाई ऑफ सोलर एनर्जी. Clear? The major disadvantage is irregular supply. When there is irregular supply of solar energy, then the solar cell will not work. Do not generate power in cloudy season. Cloudy season, rainy seasons में ये क्या है, power generate नहीं कर पाएंगे. Very low efficiency. It will give very low efficiency. Only near about 10 to 25% of light energy is converted into electrical energy. Now the use of silver to convert solar cells, to connect solar cell. We have done the solar panel. In solar panel, solar cells were connected. Clear? In a definite pattern, solar cells were connected. But in that connection, there was a silver metal which was used to connect the various solar cells. Clear? So this silver metal which is used to connect the solar cells for the solar panel will increase the cost of solar panel. क्लियर? सो सोलर पैनल के अंदर क्या होता है, यूज ऑफ सिल्वर होता है जिसके अंदर हम सोलर सेल्स को कनेक्ट करते हैं. तो वो जो सिल्वर का यूज़ है सोलर सेल्स को कनेक्ट करने में, क्लियर, टू मेक अ सोलर पैनल, इट विल इंक्रीज इट्स कॉस्ट. क्लियर? द यूज ऑफ सिल्वर टू कनेक्ट सोलर सेल्स इंक्रीज द कॉस्ट ऑफ सोलर पैनल. सो दिस वॉज द सोलर सेल एंड विद दिस द सोलर एनर्जी इज completed. And now we will start the energy from